Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty, and I'm back at again with another video. As you can see, I put rubbing alcohol on her head to prep the hair, and I went with a blow dryer to blow dry the got to be that I just sprayed on her hair. This is like one of the best hairs I've ever done, and this is my first time actually installing a 360 wig on a client. Well, technically not a client because she's my model, she's my muse that I'm using today. A hair company called Blackmoon Hair sent me this beautiful wig, and it was a 360 lace frontal wig, and it was 20 inches, and I decided to use her as my muse because I felt like I couldn't do it on myself and I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have shown the back, so I'm using her as my muse to show you the hair, the beautifulness of the hair, the velocity, the sleekness that this hair really was. That you guys don't understand that this hair was so good to work with. I was completely in love with it. My muse, my model, was in love with the hair. As you can see, I am literally cutting her ear tabs off, and I am going to start prepping the hair. I started with tweezing the hairline to fit the muse, and then I started to I don't have to explain it, but start to tweeze it to the likeness of the style that I wanted to create using this hair. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. I am tweezing away, and then I'm gonna glue the hair down, and I'm gonna use my lace glue to do that. And I'm gonna put 3 layers of lace glue on her head so that it can stay for a pretty long time. But the style I'm trying to do is a style that I want to last for some time. I don't want it to come undone, that kind of thing. So I'm just gluing the hair down, and once I finish gluing the hair down, I would then style the hair. And the style that I kind of want to go for is like an updo with a side bang left out. And just wait, because this hair was beautiful. I just can't explain how beautiful this hair was. But stay tuned for the rest of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also I will be linking the company's info down below in the description box below. Yeah, let's just get with the video, get with the program, period. As you can see right now, I am literally just gluing the sides down so I can start with the ponytail process. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to sleek the whole hair up. And once that's done, I will come back and show you the rest. As I said, this hair was pretty good to work with. The bleaching process was amazing. It bleached very well and very good to the likeness, as you can see. this is the finished look of the hair. I'm showing you literally the process of what I did and the headband I used. I used an elastic band first, and then I used another headband or hairband to complete the slayage. As you can see, the baby hairs have been done. The hair in the front, I layered the hair and then I curled it with my curler. When I say this hair was the bomb.com, this hair was the bomb. I can't explain it even more. This hair was just beautiful. It was so good to work with. I think this is one of the best companies I've ever worked with. So yeah, this hair, as I said, was sent to me by the company, and they sent me beautiful hair. I can't even lie, they sent me an amazing hair. And you can see that I'm just doing finishing touches, spraying some, I would say it's oil, just to make sure the hair is not as dry, because I used a lot of products on there. Well, not too many. As you see, my muse loves the hair. Oh, look at her, she loves the hair. Oh my god. So see the process. I hope you guys love this look. I really enjoyed doing this on her, and hopefully you will like this hair. Let me know anything else in the description bar below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, like I said, and join the gang. Like I said, I will leave everything of the company's info down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and peace.